Welcome to the students of accountancy of class 12 and other viewers. Very good morning to all of you. Here Abdul Qayyum Qureshi, lecturer commerce. Today we are going to learn question number 7 of our textbook, and our topic is admission of a partner. The question says Raju and Rahul are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3. Gitu is admitted to the partnership at 1/5 share in future profits. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio. We have two partners here, Rajiv and Rahul. They are sharing their profits in the ratio 2:3. That means our old ratio is equal to 2:3. New partner joins the firm, that is Geeta. His share is 1/5 share, that is 1/5. Geetu's share is equal to 1/5 of the total share. Here I would like to tell you one thing, that Raju and Rahul are sharing their profits in the ratio 2:3. That is, Raju is sharing 2/3. Raju's old share becomes 2 out of 2/5. 2 plus 3, that's equal to 5. Raju equal to 2/5 and Rahul equal to 3/5. This is the main thing here. Raju's old share equal to 2/5. 2 divided by 2 plus 5, 3, and Rahul 3/5. In my previous lectures, I have explained you by giving the examples of cakes, breads, pizzas, etc. how we share these uh, profits among the partners. Here we have old partners Raju and Rahul. They are sharing their profits in the ratio 2:3, and Geeta, the new partner, whose share is 1/5. This 1/5 is sacrificed by Raju and Rahul in the ratio 2:3. This 1/5 is out of the total share, but we don't know what is our total share. Let this total share be equal to 1. That total share is equal to 1. So our remaining share will be equal to total share minus G2's share, that is 1 minus 1/5, which is equal to 5 ones are 5 minus 1/5, that is equal to 4/5. 4/5 here is our remaining share. So we can calculate new share of the old partners. Raju's new share is equal to this remaining share 4/5 into Raju's old share, that is 2/5, which is equal to 4 2s are 8 by 5 5s are 25. 8/25. Rahul's new share. which is equal to this remaining share 4 by 5 into Rahul's old share, that is 3 by 5, which is equal to 4 threes are 12 by 5 fives are 25. Raju's new share, Rahul's new share. So our new profit sharing ratio of the three partners is equal to Raju is to Rahul is to new partner, that is Geetu. Which is equal to Raju's new share 8 by 5, 25, sorry, 8 by 25 is to 12 by 25 is to Geetu's share, that is 1 by 5. We can write it as 5 by 5, which is equal to 8 by 25. 12 by 25 is to 5 ones are 5 by 25, which is equal to 8 is to 12 is to 5. The required answer number 1. And now the question requires us to find out the sacrificing ratio of the older partners. Therefore, sacrificing ratio which is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. First of all, we will calculate Raju's sacrificing ratio and then Rahul's sacrificing ratio. First, Raju's sacrificing ratio is equal to Raju's old ratio, that is 2 by 5, minus Raju's new share, that is 8 by 25. Here, let's take 25 as LCM. Let's learn how to solve here, how to find out the LCM of these two, 5 and 25. 5, write 5 here and 25. 5 ones are 5 fives are, which is equal to 5 is into 1 into 5, which is equal to 25. 25 is our LCM here, so it is equal to taking 25 as LCM, as we have found here. 5 fives are 25, that is 5 into these 2, minus 25 ones are, that's 1, into this 8, which is equal to 5 twos are 10 minus 8 by 25, which is equal to 2 by 25. One result here. And then Rahul's sacrificing ratio, which is equal to Rahul's old ratio, that's 3 by 5, minus Rahul's new ratio, that's 12 by 5, 12 by 25. Here again we can take 25 as LCM, as I have shown you here. 5 fives are 25, that means 5 into these 3, minus 25 ones are 25, 1 into this 12, which is equal to 5 threes are 15 minus 12, by 25, which is equal to 3 by 25. Yes, dear students, we have got two results here, and we can easily find out the sacrificing ratio. Therefore, sacrificing ratio of old partners, that is Raju and Rahul, is equal to 2 by 25 is to 3 by 25, which is equal to 2 is to 3. That's our required result. You can take the screenshot of this question. I will meet you again, students, and show you how to calculate the sacrificing and gaining ratio. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.